Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, which is quite crucial. So make sure that you are on the photo mode, and now you can take a look at this option bar here. And on the second position from the right, we've got the timer. So just tap on it. And in this device, we've got three options. So off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option I'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds. So just tap on it. As you can see, the icon will change. So right now it indicates that we've got the timer applied. So all you need to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Of course, if you've set the timer on the photo mode, it will also apply to the portrait mode. As you can see, the icon will simply change the position on the upper panel. All right, so if you wish to turn off the timer, simply tap on it and tap on this crossed out icon. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.